Hey guys, welcome back to Appdnyan. This is a simple and quick video I'm publishing today to show you all how easily you can uninstall or remove all the Chinese apps or crap from your mobile. So simply open the Play Store from your Android mobile and search remove China apps and then hit this app called remove China apps from One Touch Labs and install. If you do not want to waste time in search, you can find the app link in the description box. So happy to help. So here's the app which is now installed, and let's see what it shows in my phone. So now it shows you the first option is to scan now. So let it scan. It will scan for all the Chinese app and quickly see. Within 2 seconds, it was able to show me what are the Chinese apps there in my phone. So all I need to do is now click on this delete button and click OK, and it will basically uninstall the Chinese app from my phone. So that's it. Second one, and this is the third one. So once last app is finished, what it will show you is congratulations, you're awesome, no China app found in your phone. And one really good thing is you can help or share this with others in your WhatsApp status, Facebook status, Insta status, or Twitter to encourage your friends, your family members, or everyone in India to go ahead and uninstall all these Chinese apps and make India proud. So here is an option itself in the app where you can easily share the status on your WhatsApp or any of the social media platforms. So that's how easy it is to remove Chinese apps from your phone. In the next slide, I'm also publishing a simple diagram or a simple chart which shows you which are the Chinese apps you may or may not be having in your phone and their alternative apps, which eventually helps you uh, like kind of fixing a problem when you basically rely on these apps. So many people rely on cam scanner, so there are alternatives to those. Many of you rely on share it, so there's an alternative to it. So just look at this slide and hopefully it helps. Thank you guys, and I hope this video helps you find a correct solution for your current problem and also helps you to share it with others. So make sure to share it with your friends and family members to get rid of all the Chinese apps from your phone. Thank you.